Oh! Yo! Look at what I found!
Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! Oh my god!
This is so retarded.
Oh my god! Yo, we're rich. We paid for the Jeep. It was free now.
Come on, guys. We're back here working on the Jeep. If you're new to the channel, this is the Jeep I've been working on. It's a 2002, and it was in a wreck. Last video, we replaced the transfer case, and now we're back working on it. So today, the plans are to get the steering in, get these coils in, and get these wheels on so I can drive. Also, we gotta add some transmission fluid because that drained out when we pulled the transfer case out. But other than that, we're really close to getting this thing on the road. So we're gonna get to it, work hard today, and get this thing hopefully running and driving. So
We gotta get this thing moving today. That's the goal.
So first things first, we're gonna chop off these old shocks. The bolts on them are all, I don't know, they're pretty hard to get off, so we're just gonna use the grinder and cut this off so I can get these old nasty shocks off. I do still have to order shocks. I haven't ordered shocks yet. I thought I had some, but I don't, so I'm gonna have to order some shocks. But other than that, we don't really need shocks to drive, so we should be good. So let's get to it. Safety first. Oh my god. It's the wrong end.
Wait, 2 wheels? How did that even happen?
Alright, so we're about to put these springs in, and since the track bar is in, I can't get this in just because there's no flex. Alright, so instead of taking the track bar off, we're just gonna get a spring compressor so we don't gotta mess with that again, because that thing was not easy putting in. I had to put a ratchet strap and all this crazy stuff on it. So we're gonna go to the store, get a spring compressor, and we'll catch you there.
I think it's just that one right there, the 27035.
Yeah, that's it. Coil spring compressor. And we're good.
Clocking out. Yo.
Back. About to put this thing on, throw these compressors on here. Alright guys, so we got this spring in, so now we're gonna go do the other side. Alright, so we got the springs in, so now we're gonna hook up the brakes. Alright, we got the brakes on, so we get to put our wheels on now. Alright, so I went to go put this brake on, this caliper, and the caliper's cracked, but I have an extra one, so we're going to swap it out real quick, so our brakes are working right. Is on its own weight now. Here, come check it out. We got the springs in, we got the arms in, we got the track bar in, so now the only thing left to do on the front end is put the steering on. So I did buy some new steering, and I just compared it up to the old steering, and it looks like the same bend is the same as this one. I thought this was all bent up, but I guess it's not, so I'm gonna reuse the old steering since it's already all hooked up and all the ball joints on the old steering is good. So I'm about to take this apart and then put it up under the Jeep, and then hopefully we can go for a little test drive.
She's on all fours. No jack.
Still that drive shaft in. Alright guys, so the Jeep, it's looking great. We got the steering in, we got the whole front end in. The rear drive shaft is connected so we can drive now. I still have to swap the rear axle, but we're gonna do that a different day. So pretty much tomorrow, I'm gonna go get some tranny fluid and fill it up, and we're gonna go for a test drive. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and we'll be back on this thing working on it.
Let's take a little checkup on how dirty it is. Let's get
like always. But it's looking good. I'm really excited. I'm really excited.
You need to see what your face looks like up close and personal.
Bro, I know it's bad. It's not. I look dirty.
Everybody roast this man on the comments, please.
What is up, guys? We're back here working on the Jeep. Today I just picked up some tranny fluid for the transfer case. This fluid actually goes in the transfer case and the transmission. I haven't checked the transfer case. I should have checked it when I was out, but I kind of forgot. So we're gonna check that, and we're gonna fill up all the fluids, and then this thing should be good to drive. It might need a jump start, but I don't know. So we're gonna fill up these fluids, and then we're gonna pull it out of here. And I mean, we're not gonna go too fast because there is. I mean, it's not totally done, but we're gonna take it for its first test drive. So.
Got the right vibes. Ooh. Oh. How's that sounding, Judah? Hey, give me a little thump. A little thump on that. Whoa. Whoa. What you know about that? That 4-point.
Hop in, man. It's nice and clean in here.
Thanks, Judah. You always picking me up.
Dude, look at this.
In the best condition.
Hey, we gotta go cash these in though.
Oh, cash up. I'm about to cash
Look,
out. What is this? All types of goodies.
Check this out. Seems like the tranny's slipping a little bit. We're just gonna go easy on it. Drive it a little bit, get the air out of the torque converter, and then we're gonna check the fluid and see where it's at. The alignment's not bad either, surprisingly. Brakes work.
It's backyard again.
Everyone that doubted me, you know, look at where I'm now. I'm living.
Fixing TJs.
Yeah, I'm really living out here.
Fixing the nicest cars around town.
This thing's nasty.
What's in the glove box? I knew that shit was gonna be gross.
I wonder if we can get some money. Is there any money in there? Do you think we can get some?
Oh, if we get enough quarters to get a drink.
That's what I'm saying.
At the 7-Eleven, that'd be kind of sweet. Let's see if we're pulling up to Dollar General, and the goal is we are trying to find enough quarters in here to get us a drink. You know, that'd be kind of sick.
Someone lost the 9mm or something like that. We're gonna get a drink here.
How much change you got?
This is gonna be kind of gross. This lady up front's gonna be like, ew.
Pull it out.
But there's definitely enough change in here. All right, we're pretty much rich. You want one too?
Yeah, hell yeah, I want to drink. You got enough money in there? You balling that hard? We do shit. What you got?
They were a drinker.
Oh! Yo! Look at what I found!
Oh my god! Oh my god! No way! Oh my
This is so retarded.
Oh my god! Yo, we're rich. We paid for the Jeep. It was free now.
What the bro?
Oh my
that's so
god.
funny. I just
Bro,
found that.
We're going inside.
We're
We're
about to
cashing
cash out on some snacks at the Dollar Tree.
No, we're actually gonna invest this money into Bitcoin. Dude, what? This is crazy.
That's
Yo,
Comes
chill.
in.
Get it flexed up though.
oh, this is what we're working with.
You know, it came a long way. Pretty happy with how it came. I was gonna get some free stuff.
Hell yeah. Get what you want and
Dude, I
just
wish
send
they had a
it.
coin machine here.
A coin machine.
The counter.
Yeah, no. Probably not. We're gonna have to sit there. Hey, I want a purple Powerade. For sure.
Should we get the boys some too? At the shop?
Yeah. I mean, we're basically rich now, so
We're rich, yeah.
we might as well just get everyone everything, you know. Hey, if you're thirsty, you want something, you know, comment in the description what you want. We might get you.
Dude, I can't believe we found this. We're looking for change. Huh?
We just found this. in the car.
pounded out.
Yo, what up, Alex? Yo, he's been checking out the videos. He didn't think I had it in me.
You like the videos, Alex?
Isn't it kind of crazy though? We drove it here.
Just from the shop, right?
Yeah. All right, back at the shop. About to add some fluid.
Spacer they put in there for
All right, so we're gonna throw away some of this random crap because there's a lot of junk in this Jeep.
You sure you don't want to keep it?
You think the lotto tickets? What if the lotto tickets were good? There's a lot of lotto tickets in here, and you never know. So we're gonna keep them. I mean, they're scratched, but you never know. He might have never claimed them. All right, check this out, guys. We found some good stuff. Look, there's an OBD2 scanner to scan like check engine lights. But this one actually doesn't have any check engine lights, which is nice. But we found a power inverter. I don't know, a charger. We found this change, a pitman arm, or a whatever, a ball joint popper, whatever the hell a pickle fork, I guess you call it. Found some good stuff. But we also found where the guy lives and his name. So, I mean, no creepy thing. I mean, would it be cool if once this thing's done, we show up to his house and surprise him? I mean, we're not gonna give it to him, but like show him how it looks now. That'd be kind of cool. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think that'd be cool. All right, guys, we're gonna give this thing a quick wash, degrease everything, so I can paint it all up later. So that's the plan right now. Alright guys, so come check out this engine. We got it looking right. It's clean. It ain't greasy no more. I'm sure it's never been cleaned, and I don't know, I degreased it and gave it a good pressure washing. So, I mean, overall the Jeep's looking really good. I mean, it runs and drives now. So now it's time to paint it. And after that, I mean, it's gonna be pretty much done. The alignment's honestly pretty nice. I still gotta swap the rear axle. I'm probably gonna do that off camera because that's not very cool. I don't think you guys really even want to see that. But yeah, I mean, it's coming along. We kind of cleaned out the interior a little bit, and I don't know, it's actually looking pretty good. So I also pressure washed out the garage because it was pretty gross. It was all greasy and grimy. But that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys are liking how the Jeep's coming along, and stay tuned for the next video where we're going to be Raptor lining the whole Jeep. So that's going to be pretty cool. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe. Catch you guys later, and thanks for watching.
Peace!